The miracle of ginger, nature's powerful health booster. Have you ever wondered if there is a natural way to boost your health, increase your energy, and protect your body from illness? The answer might be simpler than you think. Introducing ginger, nature's miracle root, used for thousands of years across the world for its incredible healing properties. Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, is more than just a spice. In traditional medicine, it has been prized for its ability to enhance digestion, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the immune system. Ancient Chinese and Indian healers relied on ginger to treat everything from nausea to joint pain, and modern science is now confirming what they knew centuries ago. One of the key compounds in ginger is called gingerol, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. This natural compound helps your body fight oxidative stress, reduces swelling, and promotes overall wellness. Ginger also contains shaggols, which provide similar benefits and contribute to its unique, pungent flavor. So, why is ginger considered a miracle by so many? First, it can boost your immunity. Regular consumption helps your body fight off infections and strengthens your natural defenses. Second, it improves digestion. If you struggle with bloating, nausea, or stomach discomfort, ginger can soothe your digestive system and support a healthy gut. Third, it reduces inflammation. This makes it ideal for people with joint pain, arthritis, or general soreness after exercise. Finally, ginger can increase your energy levels naturally, helping you feel more alert and focused throughout the day. But how can you use this miracle root? The options are simple and versatile. You can enjoy fresh ginger tea in the morning, which is both soothing and revitalizing. You can also add ginger powder to your smoothies, soups, or meals for a gentle daily boost. For a more concentrated effect, ginger supplements are available, making it easy to incorporate this powerful root into your daily routine. Even a small amount of ginger every day can make a noticeable difference in your energy, health, and well-being. Countless people around the world have experienced the benefits of ginger. Jane says, "I feel more energetic, and my digestion has improved significantly since I started taking ginger every morning." Mark shares, "After adding ginger to my daily routine, my joint pain has decreased, and I feel lighter, healthier, and more active." These real-life experiences show just how effective this natural remedy can be. What makes ginger truly remarkable is that it is 100% natural, safe, and free from harmful chemicals. Unlike many synthetic products or energy boosters, ginger works with your body rather than against it. Its effects may be gentle, but they are cumulative, creating lasting improvements in your overall health. Nature has provided us with this incredible root, and it's up to us to harness its power. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, support your digestion, or strengthen your immunity, ginger can be your natural ally. Start today and experience the transformative effects of this ancient miracle root. Don't wait any longer. Embrace the power of ginger and let nature help you feel healthier, stronger, and more vibrant every single day.